Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So here I have the Loneyshow Mini Smart Wi-Fi Plug. We're going to go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. This sells for around $20 and it allows you to do different smart plugs. Control it through either a Android, Google app. You can also control it with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. So pretty cool. In the box here, very plain white box. Just a user manual, how to go ahead and get it all set up. And then you have two of the devices here, and this is for USA 110 volt power, and it has a ground plug on it and a QR code on the back, and you get the smart plug going. So these only work on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so they're not 5G, but should be really cool. We're going to check it out, and we'll come back and do a review. But it should be cool. We're going to try it with Alexa as well. So there you go. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here on YouTube, and we'll see you soon. Cool.